hüten in Not und alle Fairnissen.
Depeschen für den Captain. Gut ist dabei. Geben Sie sie möglichst sofort. In Ordnung.
Eiswarnung von ein paar Schiffen vor uns. Verzeihen Sie bitte.
Eiswarnung?
Ah, wir werden eben gut aufpassen.
Ich habe ein Glas geschlossen. Stuart!
Ich habe ihn gesehen, aber ungeheuer groß.
Meine Güte.
Er ist schon wieder weg. Sind wohl hart dran vorbeigerutscht.
Hier, ein schönes Andenken.
Wo haben Sie das her?
Von einem Eisberg. Das liegt da zentnerweise draus.
Versucht doch SOS, den neuen Seenotruf. Vielleicht haben wir jetzt die letzte Gelegenheit dazu.
Die Damen sind hier doch wohl sicherer als auf so einem kleinen Boot.
Tut mir leid, der Captain denkt darüber anders, Sir.
Aber dann müssen wir doch die Kinder aufwecken. Ist das wirklich nötig?
Ja.
Pulled every string I could. The book is on the grandest ship in history. You act as if you're going to your execution.
Oh, forget it, Boyle. You'll never get next to the likes of her. I'm the king of the world!
I understand you. It is a fine match with Hockley. It will ensure our survival.
I know you've been melancholy. I don't pretend to know why.
Don't come any closer. I'll let go.
No, you won't.
Why can't I be like you, Jack? Just head out for the horizon whenever I feel like it.
I've got $10 in my pocket. I have nothing to offer you, and I know how the world works.
I'm flying.
What made you think you could put your hands on my fiancée?
They've got you trapped, Rose, and if you don't break free, you're gonna die.
It's a ship. There's only so many places she can be. Find her. Iceberg! What ahead? I have been robbed.
Is this it?
Don't you believe it, Rose? Rose!
Don't you understand? The water is freezing and there aren't enough boats. Half the people on the ship are going to die.
Not the better half.
What are we doing, Mommy? When I finish putting first-class people on the boats, they'll be starting with us.
Haul away! Why are the boats being launched half full? For God's sake, there's women and children down here! Let us out so we can have a chance!
Where is she going? What to him?
You jump, I jump, right?
I hope you enjoy your time together!
We have to stay on the ship as long as possible.